Oh, Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm at the brother Pasha and sister Farzana's house. They've invited us for an open day for the Eid. So I'm going to check it out. So come follow me. Come on. And of course, it's very customary to bring a gift along with you when you're visiting an Islamic or Muslim household. So for some chocolates. Let's have a look. Come on. Come on. Okay, here we go. Assalamu alaikum. Okay, here we go. I can hear big noises inside. Assalamu alaikum. How are you?
I'm good, brother.
This is brother Pasha. You remember him from the previous video we did for iftar.
Nice to see you again, brother. Welcome. Yeah.
This is son-in-law. Assalamu alaikum. His son-in-law, how are you? Good to see you again. You are becoming movie stars now. Look at that. Hello, sister. How are you?
Hi,
A small gift for you. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you so
All
much.
familiar faces, eh? From our previous episode.
Thank you so much.
I can hear some sound inside already. People like this. Hello, how are you?
Shania.
Oh, look here, who's the gangs here? This is the Gold Coast gang. Muhammad, Hassan, Zulaikan is here. Look at that. How are you? Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Where's the other guy? That guy is running away. Look. The big one. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Good to see you, brother. How are you?
Yeah.
You came earlier than me.
No, I was in the neighbourhood.
Always in the neighborhood. Oh, look at that. Look at that, mashallah. Look at that. Sister Farzana. Brother Pasha. What is this? It's a feast just on an open house.
It's a feast, yeah.
And this is only part of it.
Yes.
Okay, mashallah. Look at this. Cameraman, can you take a film of all this stuff? Mashallah. Come on over. So this is the first section. So people come and try here first?
Yeah.
Oh, mashallah. I don't know how to introduce all this food, but cameraman.
This is made in Fiji.
Fiji.
It's like a leaf thing. They're
Okay.
made out of leaf. You see,
Show her
this
face
is
also.
true.
Yeah,
This
sure.
is like a murku flower.
Morocco, that's worldwide famous sweet.
That's like like a cassava cake.
Okay, what I can say is like South Indian, Central Indian, North Indian, everything mixed together, yes? And you got a Japanese stuff here too.
Yes.
Mashallah. What is this?
It's a drink.
Green, my goodness, different multicolor. Rainbow colors. Oh my goodness, all right. You got more food outside?
There's
Come on.
kids table there.
Children's section too.
Yeah, this
Mashallah. All right, beautiful. So you're catering for everybody, young, old and kids.
it's
Eid. Eid. Sister, what is this stuff? Full of stuff here.
Yeah.
Mashallah. You got white rice? What is this one here?
It's a fried rice.
You know, that's fried rice. Indian fried rice?
Yes.
Okay.
Beef
And
fried
beef rice. Okay, you got this. Stir fried beef.
Stir-fried beef.
Oh, that's Chinese style, okay. And then
Beef
veggie.
pizza, homemade.
Homemade pizza, okay.
Yeah.
And then we have more stuff there.
Butter chicken.
Butter chicken.
Yeah, you
All
gotta try.
Let's try. Let me see. Let's see the. Oh, mashallah. I can smell. It's very strong
Yeah.
aroma. Very good. It's okay.
You should try that. That's chicken 65.
I love that. You got more stuff here.
And that's chops.
Yes.
That's prawns grilled.
Right.
That's chicken roast.
Chicken. Yes.
This is tandoori chicken.
Right.
That's sausages.
Right.
And that's a little naan for butter chicken.
Right.
And they're all salads.
Right.
Like and that's Fiji style taro.
Okay.
There's all the chutney.
That's right. Sister, you have catered for everyone. From young and old. Not only that, people who doesn't eat some meat, they can eat other meat and all those stuff. Mama, how did you arrange all this? He's an expert.
Hard work.
Yeah. Is this the chef?
Yeah.
Which one did he cook? Come on.
The fried rice.
What's your name, brother?
Abdul.
Abdul. Remember his name? He's the one who cooked all this stuff. Very good. Alhamdulillah.
And Shabbi did some as well.
Okay,
Shabbi
mashallah,
did chicken
mashallah.
65 and all that. And
He comes. Here, brother Pasha comes here. Look at man, how many dishes you made? More than 100.
Yeah,
Must be more than 100. 3 different places. Never ending.
Yeah, she loves it, yeah.
Oh, yeah, kid. So you start in the afternoon, you go all the way till midnight.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
That's the idea.
That's the whole idea, right? All right. Alhamdulillah. Jazakallah khairan. Look, I'm hungry now. I'm going to have something.
Yeah,
I'll talk to you later.
Just help
Okay?
yourself.
Inshallah. Okay, Jazakallah. MashaAllah. I just finished my meal. I'm really full now. And cameraman, did you enjoy the food? Yes, you enjoyed the food. Okay, that's good. And people talking and walking and yeah. You here? Hello, how are you? What's your name?
Renuma.
Renuma is? Well, Pasha's and Farzana's daughter. Only daughter. And you got two brothers, right?
I've got 2 older brothers.
MashaAllah,
yeah,
MashaAllah.
Hanging around.
Yeah. What you doing now?
I live in Sydney.
Sydney, huh?
Yeah, I'm a property manager there, but I'm just visiting.
I see. Good.
Yeah.
So, do you come often to the Gold Coast?
I try to, if COVID isn't getting in the way.
All right. But Bill, I have been to Sydney and all the places, but for me, no place like Gold Coast. You know, Alhamdulillah. Anyhow, enjoy. A lot of people are coming. The guests are coming. They keep coming. They'll come till midnight tonight. It's just 5 o'clock. Man, I really enjoyed. I enjoyed your lamb as well. The lamb roast, eh? Okay, good. And we're about to go, and I see some good stuff here. Look at that good stuff. Okay, what? We got cupcakes.
Eat there.
Okay.
But you have to try.
Yeah, I'm going to try this cupcake.
Yeah.
The cupcake I'm going to do. I love cupcake.
Yeah.
Look at that, the word. Karim, cameraman, look at this thing. Eid, okay, Eid. All right. I'm going to... Oh, hey, look at the packet. Okay, Eid, all right. Specially made, eh?
With the diamonds in
Oh,
there.
so many stuff, you know. If you didn't explain to me, I didn't know. Look, there's a little bit of well, it's a rhinestone or whatever, but it looks like a diamond. Okay. Look at all this stuff. And I really enjoyed it. And they want me to cut the cake before I leave. Alhamdulillah, you saw the amount of food this family has made, the Pasha family has made. Alhamdulillah, I enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it. And I'm taking some with me at home. And Alhamdulillah, it's a variety, as I mentioned to Pasha. They've covered the North Indian, South Indian, West Indian, Central Indian, all the Indians all are covered. Plus, there were a couple of Chinese as well. There were a couple of Chinese, you know, there was some sushi, the Japanese stuff, and then stir fried with Alhamdulillah, thank you. And I know you've got a lot of guests here today. You're very busy. It's been going till midnight tonight. So I'm just leaving. It's 5 o'clock now. I'm going right now. All right, before the next crowd comes. So they gave me the honor of cutting this cake. They eat cake. So we'll cut it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillah.
Bismillah. MashaAllah. Nice cake. Nice. Who baked it? No, ready? Okay, it's a secret. Okay. All right. MashaAllah. Beautiful. Look at that cake. Look at that. I'm going to try it now. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Oh. I got the cream. Okay, here we go. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Very good. Beautiful. Okay. All right. Thank you very much, all young ladies. Thank you so much. And then, all right, then inshallah we'll see you.
Inshallah.
All right. So inshallah, see you in the next episode. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.